Hello! Do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 18? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction number bonds are when you're looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 18 in this case. So you could look at easy ones like this. 20 take away 2. That is a great number bond because it equals 18 for one, but also it's very easy to work out because you're only taking away two numbers. Or you could try a bit of a harder one like this. 24 take away what? What number are you missing to make 18? Work it out home. It's 6, isn't it? Great! So that is another number bond which works perfectly for 18. So remember, you're looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 18, okay? So use the information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!